Egypt made a decision to be enemies of God. Why? They want to be enemies of God. If God said then do that, they will do. Don't give money under the table, money under the table. Don't direct the terrorists in all the world, they direct. Obama rent who in 100 terrorists work and more and more and more. Just this is one care to scare Obama or Zizi and Zizi from Niger. Why Egypt enemies of God? Their decision. They think they are Pharaoh. If you discuss God, you will see another punishment from God. His people said what? Who is God? He is love. Yeah, love. A Song of Solomon said about his love, and he take us in his coat and give a milk, not milk from cow or anything or any place, but the spirit milk. But when the people be enemies of God, God will give you another characters. You choose to be enemies of God. No, don't do this. God said about Delta, Nile Delta in Isaiah 11, it will be 7 ways and the building will broken over their head. They love to be enemies of God. They made a decision to fight God and follow the devil. God didn't give food. The devil will give them food. The devil gave how many thousand dead from 25 January until now. God said, if you supported Egypt, I will do and do with you. Isaiah 31 and 3. Isaiah 31 and 2. Why you protect terrorists? When you protect, you deserve. Isaiah chapter 31 and 2. Why? God said you must respect God. Respect God or He will be angry. You must listen to God. I want to tell you something. When you take a shower, you must close here by a piece of cotton or tissue to don't catch a cold. Just a little time until your hair to be dry hair, and drink a cold cup of water. Okay, what I want to say, God give me a prayer. Look what God done over Egypt. God down over Russia to beg them to support Ibrahim, my bigger son, Hosea. God said in Old Testament, Hosea in his Bible, you must listen to God. You must respect God. He said, you will not understand more than God. Love your brother. Don't give your ear to his enemies, to Zizi, Hoga. You must respect God. Why God said in Isaiah 6, in Jeremiah 6, Isaiah 6, He will open your eyes to accept His Son too, and to know who is the Son. And He came, He did, and He rised again to give His blood to rescue you from the calves. And now Orthodox therapy back to the life after 3 years in Britannia in year 2010. This is true. You can check in Britannia. Why? Because Ezekiel 37 said, collect the spirit from the air, that they are under the land before the blood. If anyone back to the life, it means he is in the air. By the blood of Jesus, the people believe in God. Okay? You must know God is light, is love. But if you made a decision to be His enemies, look what He did with Abiha bin Nadab Korah Dasan. What He will do in Egypt Part 4. And also Isaiah 19 and Isaiah chapter 20. And also God said to anyone, enemies, His people, Isaiah 49 and 26. Don't be enemies of God. Never ever don't be. You must be in His code. Back to God. Say sorry God. Cry out and fast. And pray every 3 days to say, God, the war for you to fight our enemies use the magic, black magic, They are black mafia. They didn't respect any law from God. They didn't respect God, and they are cover the world. They said black mafia covers the world over the law. Look what about these people who worship to devil. We want your hand, God, your power to fight another time for your people. Beg God to fight for your people again. We are your people also. We are Christian, and your people, you will open their eyes to believe in you, Jesus Christ. Let them to know about you, God, back them to you. Kill our enemies. What you said in Isaiah 13 and Isaiah 14, Isaiah 30, what you said about Egypt. Unuseful people did love to respect you. God, do what you said in Baruch 4, to pack your people to your court in Russia. You said about Abraham, your bigger son. If anyone, your enemies, you will do Isaiah 62 about all the world against you, and you will fight all the world for them. In America, what you did, also in Russia for your people. Back to God, the people of God. He will come as soon and to fight for you.